Today's crippling labor shortage is one of the greatest challenges companies have to face, impacting businesses everywhere. Automation processes can then play a key role in reducing the issues companies face. OPTEL's Cobot Palletizer is fully automated to assist existing production crews with repetitive tasks, such as palletizing. The result? OPTEL's Cobot Palletizer will free your workers for higher value-added tasks, improving both productivity and job satisfaction. Unlike industrial robots, OPTEL's Cobot Palletizer does not require fencing. It's designed to work closely with humans thanks to its pressure and proximity sensors. No need to overhaul your entire factory space. OPTEL's Cobot Palletizer is designed to fit perfectly within your existing production lines. Optimize your floor plan. OPTEL's Cobot Palletizer is easy to implement as all key components are included. It also seamlessly integrates with OPTEL's serialization solutions. Contact us for more information.